National netballer Latanya Wilson is ecstatic at becoming the latest Sunshine Girl to be contracted for the top league in the world, the Suncorp Super Netball League in Australia. Here's Spencer Darlington with that story on an outstanding talent from Rum Lane in downtown Kingston.
It's joy unconfined for 20-year-old Latanya Wilson, a first-year student at the Michael University College, who will be getting her second taste of overseas professional netball when she turns out for the Adelaide Thunderbirds next year. It comes after the Australian team inked a deal for the young Jamaican. She previously represented the Celtic Dragons in the Netball Super League in England earlier this year. The chance to play down under was actually orchestrated by a national teammate.
So this opportunity came about through Shamira Sterling. She was the one that speak to her coach about me, and they also watched some games while I was in England playing. They said that they were looking for a defender, and they like the aggressiveness, the determination that I have, and they think that I will bring something different to the team.
Wilson, who can play as either goalkeeper, goal defense or wing defense, has great admiration for the Suncorp League.
Impressed with the aggressiveness. The umpires allow you to contest the ball, so that type of competition, I love the aggression. I know that time difference, we different currencies, so I'm trying to wrap my mind around the time, getting adequate rest that I need and communicating back home.
Dalton Hines, who guided Wilson's career for 7 years at Gainsted High, always thought she had the requisite qualities to make the top grade.
From day one, Latanya, the first time that she set foot on the Gainsted netball court, it was evident that Latanya was destined for greatness. I would consider her a coach's player. She had the work ethics, a resilience, humility. She had just about all the qualities that any coach would want, from a player.
Meanwhile, Wilson's mother, Carol Dick, is delighted that her daughter is now being rewarded for the investment she has made in the sport, which she has been playing for the past 15 years.
We are so excited, we beat pot, we laugh. It can be like a World Cup because, our next child from the inner city, because, them always say no good come from inner city. And for see Latanya strive throughout the year, both with school, both with netball and now go we are Australia. Nobody in the community never go Australia yet. And Latanya go Australia, the next door neighbor, the little girl that we used to see her go up the road with her mother was so excited. The community is so proud of her, and our siblings are so proud of her.
Wilson will be one of 7 Sunshine Girls parading their skills in the Suncorp League next season, joining Shamira Sterling, who remains at the Adelaide Thunderbirds, as well as Janiel Fowler of the West Coast Fever, Romelda Aiken of the Queensland Firebirds, Katie Haney of Melbourne Vixens, and Jody Ann Ward and Shimona Nelson of the Collingwood Magpies. No date has yet been set for the start of the league next season. Wilson is currently in training with the Sunshine Girls for a 4-test series in England sometime in January. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.